Running an online store? Then you know getting traffic isn't easy, especially when organic reach takes time. That's where paid ads come in. But the big question is, Google ads or Facebook ads, which one works better for e-commerce? In this video, we'll break down both platforms based on targeting, cost, conversion potential, and when you should use each. And if you're serious about boosting your e-commerce sales, I'll also show you how Verpex hosting can support your store with the speed and stability it needs to succeed. Let's jump right in. How targeting works, intent versus interest. Let's start with targeting, arguably the biggest difference between Google and Facebook ads. With Google ads, you're targeting people based on intent. That means they're actively searching for something, like best running shoes under $100. If your product matches their search, your ad can appear right at the top of the results. Facebook ads, on the other hand, are all about interest-based targeting. You're placing ads in front of people based on behavior, demographics, or what they might like, not necessarily what they're searching for right now. So if you're selling something people already know they want, Google ads might work better. But if you need to build awareness for a unique or visual product, Facebook ads can drive discovery and curiosity. Ad format and creative requirements. The second big difference lies in format. Google ads are mostly text-based, appearing on search engines, YouTube, and Google's display network. They're great for clear, keyword-driven promotions. Facebook ads, however, are visual first. Think images, videos, carousels, and stories, scroll-stopping creative that blends into your audience's feed. If you're selling physical products with strong visual appeal, Facebook and Instagram ads can generate more engagement. But here's the catch: Facebook ads require more creative effort. You'll need high-quality product photos, strong copywriting, and testing across formats. Verdict: text-based urgency? Google wins. Visual storytelling? Facebook shines. Cost and ROI, what gives better value? Facebook ads are generally cheaper on a cost per click, CPC, basis. You might pay 50 cents to $1 per click depending on your niche. Google ads can be more expensive, especially for competitive keywords. CPCs can range from $1 to $5 or even more in certain markets. But remember, Google users often have higher purchase intent. So if you're aiming for long-term brand visibility and awareness, Facebook might be more budget-friendly. But for converting ready-to-buy customers, Google ads could justify the higher cost. Still, whichever you choose, make sure your site loads fast and converts well. That's why Verpex hosting is a smart move. It gives your store fast loading times, reliable uptime, and WooCommerce optimization, so none of your ad spend goes to waste. When to use each platform. Here's a quick breakdown of when to use each. Use Google ads if you're targeting people already searching for your product or service. You have clear buyer intent keywords. You want to dominate the search results fast. Use Facebook ads if you're launching a new brand or product. Your product is visual or impulse driven. You want to build an audience or run retargeting campaigns. Bonus tip: retargeting is where Facebook excels. You can remind visitors who didn't buy with engaging ad creatives and pull them back into your funnel. Best of both worlds. So which one should you use, Google ads or Facebook ads? If you need quick, high-converting traffic, start with Google. If you're building a brand or promoting visually engaging products, go for Facebook. Or better yet, combine them for a full funnel strategy. But no matter which one you choose, make sure your store can keep up. Visit verpex.com to explore hosting plans built specifically for e-commerce businesses. Fast loading times, solid support, and all the tools you need to grow your online store are just a click away. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more e-commerce tips, and drop a comment below which platform has worked better for you. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next campaign.